Hello guys, today I will write my first fragment shader so that we can change the color without doing it manually from ThreeJs. It's like we can change material color, but I will use shader material and I will write my fragment shader and I will change the color accordingly. So let me explain this thing how we created this box. So up to now everything is very normal. So like I am importing my 3js and orbit control library, and I'm creating scene, camera, and renderer. And apart from this, I am uh, taking this control and I'm adding this spotlight, and I'm using this box symmetry with mesh basic material, and I'm adding it into the floor and into the scene. And this animate function allow us to rotate through 360 view and can zoom in and zoom out. So now for fragment shader, I will refer to 3js official website for shader material. So here you can see documentation is available here. So I will just copy this much line up and I will explain you this. Okay, so now instead of mesh basic material, I will comment it, and I will use this shader material. And I don't want to create a vertex shader. So if you remove this thing, by default it has some vertex shader, so you don't need to specify that part. Okay, and this uniform, so let me remove this from here, and for now I will make it like that, and I will create another variable here. Let me let uniforms is equal to this thing. So now let's cut it. Okay, so if you see uh, we are getting this uniform variable here. I think I missed this thing. We don't need to. Okay, here we have to create an object, and let me explain what is uniform here. So if you see the documentation, uniform is something, uh, any variable that you can pass from 3js to GLSL for changing it according to your condition. And there are other more stuff available here. So in this I will use this uniform variable. Okay, and so we are getting this fragment setter text content. So let me start writing my fragment setter. So if you see on body, I created this script tag and providing id this fragment setter. And okay, so now if you want to do anything inside fragment setter, you have to at least uh, call a method void main now. So I think with this much we are ready. Let me save it and check it once. I think nothing is okay. So now let me open my server. Okay, so we are not getting anything here. Let me check. Okay, so uh, text content. So let me check. I think I missed this spelling here. Here we are using this small s, and here we are using capital S. So I will make it small. And now our bug is removed, but we are not getting anything here. So actually for this we have to at least return some color from here. Okay, if you remove this uh, script tag, and if you remove this fragment shader also, then most probably you will get some by default fragment and vertex shader. So this reddish color is coming just because of that. Okay, now I will just start writing my fragment shader. So I will comment out this comment it, and I will discomment it this also. And now first thing we have to return from this function gl underscore frag color, and it's required vec 4 is 4 order vector, and we will pass some random color like uh, 4 0.4 and 0.8 comma 0.3 comma 1.0. So we last one is responsible for opacity, so I am taking it 1 right now. Okay, and we have to take care of like we can't miss semicolons in shaders, otherwise it will throw you a error. So let me save it and let's go to the browser. So you can see now we are getting this color just because of our fragment shader. So now we want to change this color dynamically. So for this we have to write some more code. So here this uniform variable I will pass some random color like red. So for red value I will use 1 white for first time, and after this same for green and blue also. So let me create those things also. Okay, okay, so now our uniform variables are ready. Now we will get these variables inside our fragment setter. So for getting it here you have to mention it like uh, start it from uniform, and then type of variable. So we are passing float there, so I will mention it float and then red. Okay, and now similarly for green and blue color also. Okay, so now if we use these color here, so instead of default color I will use this uniform variable for color and blue. Okay, so let me save it and again go to the browser. So we are getting this white color just because our all uniform variables are 1. So as you know 1 1 1 create white color. Now I will change these colors uh, um, by using set interval method. So let me change start create here set interval and a callback function. Okay, and now I will take the duration 100 millisecond, and I will update this uniform dot red dot value is equal to math dot random. So we will get the value between 0 to 1, and now similarly for green and blue also. So let me green and blue. So with this we are done. Let me save it and now again go to the browser. So now you can see we are changing it after every 100 millisecond, and we wrote our first fragment setter, and next tutorial I will add vertex setter also. So please with me this course. Thank you for watching this video.